Speech on hard work is the key to success. Good morning, respected teachers and dear friends. Today, I want to talk about an important lesson in life. Hard work is the key to success. We all have dreams, but dreams alone are not enough. To turn them into reality, we must work hard with dedication and patience. Look at great personalities like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam or Sachin Tendulkar. They did not achieve success overnight. They worked for years, practicing and improving every single day. Hard work builds discipline, skills, and confidence. Some people believe that luck plays the biggest role in success. But without hard work, even luck cannot help us. Hard work teaches us to face challenges and never give up. Remember, success may come late, but it will surely come to those who work for it. So, let's promise to put our best efforts into everything we do. Thank you.